Alright, here we are in lovely Bayou, running restored number 82, 1957 Johnson 7.5 horsepower AD-11. I got it on my 1957 Feathercraft 14-foot John boat. We're going to give her a run this morning on the Bayou. Here we are under the beautiful oak trees on the Bayou with the plantation homes. Beautiful morning in May. Running number 82, 1957 7.5 horsepower Johnson, model AD-11. This is a light restore. Customer Kenny wanted to keep the patina look, and I got that baby mechanically restored. Watch my previous videos. It's twin number 1. 3-part video on this motor. Rebuilt everything. The magneto, rewind starter, carburetor, gear case, everything done. So let's take her for a spin and see how she does this morning. As you can see, she's a beauty. I mean, she runs just perfect. I'll give her a 10 on the mechanically restored. Pushes my 14-foot 1957 Feathercraft Fisher John boat about 14 miles an hour, which is real good for a 7.5. I mean, she runs smooth. Here we go. You see the Bridge in the background? That's where Bro built the bridge, and they named the city Bro Bridge. That's as good as it gets. Neutral. Idles down really well. Reverse. Neutral. Forward. Kenny, come get it when you're ready, buddy. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Merci beaucoup and laissez les bon temps rouler.